Okay, hi guys, so today I'll be showing you the Gerber. It's a multi-tool that I bought on Amazon for $50 without any knives. Let's get started. So it comes with a little case here. You can see Velcro loud. And then we have belt strap right here. And then here's the actual multi-tool. Let's get inside. So how you open it, you take these two sides and you pull it up, and it looks like a pair of pliers. It's actually a multi-tool. So here are the pliers. They shake a little bit, a little shaky as you can see, and then they're not so sturdy, so that's one reason why I don't like the Gerber. And then here we have wire cutters. Just put it in and strip them. And then here we have inside some tools, two sides of tools. So let's get started with the first tools. A pair of scissors we have over here. So you open them like this, and they have a little spring here, so if you go like that, it'll go down, and then here they have here we have a thing. If you want to put it down, just go down like this if you want to put it down. And then also, the scissors are very strong, but they're small. Let's go on to the next one. Just put that away. Let me just get my next tool. 1 second. Here. So here we have some type of flattener, I think, with a bottle opener right here. Just crank the bottle off, the bottle off the top. That isn't the best tool in the box. We have another type of those things, a little thicker, a little wider. Here we have, just get that out. It's a little hard here. Here we have another one. It's a little thinner, so you need some to scrape off thinner. It's a little better, as you can see. Get that down, and then we have the last tool on this side. We actually have 10 tools in this. Here we have a nail filer. It's a good nail filer, strong. I use it as sandpaper. It works. Then, and the next side, we'll start with this. This is a sandpaper thing, so if you buy it online on Amazon, $50, it looks like a knife, but it isn't. It's just sandpaper. I don't know what number sandpaper. Then here we have a screwdriver. You would think we only have one, but you can buy online these little bits in the packet. Comes with 9 bits, with a little case, 9 bits here, and then comes with this little piece that you take out, and it has a magnet inside. So you put it in the square way, you put it on top, and then you can put any of your 9 bits, take it out, and you just stick them on top, and there you go. That's the screwdriver. It's a nice handy tool on the side. And then last but not least, tool here. This is a real bottle opener. Just crank it off like those Coke bottles. Let's put that away. So today we had 10 tools on the Gerber. You can buy it on Amazon, $50. I'll put the link down below in the description. Okay, fine. See you later.